Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you search about Everand app and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You search about the application of Everand. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.